Hi everyone, my name is Belinda and I am from Zimbabwe. I am a business and Spanish student at Kalamazoo College. I'm actually about to graduate, so June 16th is near. Hey. But that's not what this video is about. So today I just wanted to introduce myself and just let you know and just explain to you what you'll be getting from my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for clicking on this video and just being interested in what I have to offer. So if you don't know me at all, I love doing hair, I love making clothes, I love just being creative, and I believe that there's no reason why people should say they're not capable of doing anything, something, if they do not try. So I will be doing DIY videos of making simple things such as like crop tops, customizing your own t-shirts, making wallets, simple things that I think that people can definitely follow the instructions or whatever will be in my video or tutorials. So yes, and I'll also be posting DIY videos of doing your own hair, because I definitely believe in doing, just creating something of your own. And you know, when you have that proud moment where you're like, oh my god, I really made that, I did that. And that's how I'm feeling right now, because the outfit I'm wearing is actually made by me. Shorts, top, whatever. I made that 3 days ago. And yeah, it's just like really interesting when you make something of your own and you're like, oh my god, I really did that. So I'm here to share that knowledge, to share that creativity with you. So next time, be ready, come and watch my next video, and subscribe below, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do with my video. So until next time, see ya, ciao.